So if you're looking for a personal blender that's convenient to use, powerful enough for a wide range of tasks, and trusted by many viewers over the years, the NutriBullet Pro is definitely a perfect option. It's compact, blends quickly, and comes with spacious cups that are ideal for 1 to 2 servings. And now, to show you what it's really like, let's take a look at how it performs in our test. I'm Tina, and welcome back to our Shouldit Blender Series. And now we're moving into the testing. But before we start, I would recommend checking out our explainer, How Should It Test Personal Blenders. It breaks down why we test the way we do, what we're looking for, and how we keep everything consistent. That way you can follow along and actually understand what each result means. Now let's start with the first test, the protein shake. And for this test, we toss in protein powder, oats, almonds, ripe blueberries, and milk. Then we blend until the oats fully break down and the shake turns smooth. And the NutriBullet made it feel really easy. It basically did all the work on its own. We didn't need to shake the cup to have the ingredients reach the blade. Plus, the blade spun super fast, the motor stayed strong, and everything got pulled down and broken up smoothly. And compared to the other personal blenders we tested, this was the quickest one. It completed the job in just 40 seconds, and the shake it produced was exactly what we wanted. It was thick, smooth, and definitely drinkable. Protein shake, 10 out of 10. Next is the frozen fruit smoothie test. Frozen blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, and mango going with honey, yogurt, and milk, and we blend until it's smooth. Of course, this is not an easy task, especially for a blender this small, but the NutriBullet handled it more confidently than we expected. Even though the fruit was fully frozen, it broke them down almost right away. Everything kept moving and mixing without any struggle. So it got the task done in just 50 seconds, and the texture was super smooth. There were still a few tiny bits of berry skin and strawberry seeds in the final mixture, but that's really normal with ingredients like this. Actually, none of the other blenders we tested could produce such an ideal texture this fast. Some couldn't even break down strawberries after a full minute. And again, this NutriBullet didn't make us shake the cup or stir anything. So yes, we were really happy with it. Frozen fruit smoothie, 10 out of 10. Before continuing with the rest of the review, we would like to be clear that this isn't a paid promotion. Every personal blender we test is self-funded to ensure unbiased evaluations and honest ratings. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would be a huge support. Now we're moving to the Fibrous Greens test. We blend kale, spinach, and celery with water for 20 seconds. Then strain it to see how smooth it really is. We just add everything to the cup, set it on the base, and then press and twist to start blending. And from there, it ran without you holding anything. And you can see it pulling the greens down toward the blades instead of letting them sit on the sides. So we didn't need to have it along. And once again, the NutriBullet came out on top. It blended the greens really fine, and after straining, there were barely any chunks left. So if your go-to smoothie is heavy on greens and fiber, this NutriBullet is a perfect choice. Fibrous Greens, 9 out of 10. And last up is the ice crushing test. We load the cup with ice only, then let it run until the ice gets as smooth as possible. Actually, this test is very demanding, but even so, the NutriBullet didn't struggle at all. It grabbed the ice, crushed it down fast, and stayed stable on the counter the whole time. So it finished in right around 40 seconds, which is seriously quick for an ice test. A few chunks were still there at the end, but they were just sitting in a spot the blade couldn't catch. The rest of the ice came out light and fluffy, So overall, the NutriBullet did so well here that it actually earns a top score. Eye-crushing taste, 10 out of 10. So taking the 4 tests into account, this NutriBullet Pro 900W personal blender achieved an overall performance rating of 9.8 out of 10. So the NutriBullet Pro is our top-rated personal blender. If you don't have a lot of spaces, or if you just want something quick for daily blends, this is a really great choice. It gives you the powerful, consistent blending you expect from bigger blenders, but in a smaller size that's way easier to live with. And the build quality feels solid too, which honestly puts it ahead of many competition. Literally, it can handle everything you throw at it, from frozen fruits to fibrous greens to even ice cubes. Plus, it's super easy to operate. The price is pretty friendly and the accessories you get are all very useful. So overall, this NutriBullet is one of the best value picks you can get in a personal blender. That's it for our review of the NutriBullet Pro personal blender. You can find more details through the link in the description or explore other options in our Shouldit Blender series. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you catch our upcoming reviews. Thanks for watching Shouldit, and see you in the next video.